Well, hold that thought, Sandeep. Lots more to discuss. But pull up the stock price of Asian Granito. The counter is in the limelight today as the rights issue opens. Let's connect with the management then. Amrinder Kumar Gupta is the CFO who's joining in on the show. Thanks so much for joining in. So the rights issue opening on the 25th of April, it's 441 crore rupees. And I understand that the company said that the proceeds will be used for a planned capex. Can you walk us through what those capex plans are and by when we're going to see your new facilities becoming operational?
Good afternoon. We are opening this rights issue on 25th of April. And the process of the right issue of this 441 crore, we are going to utilize in our 3 plants that are coming up in Morbi. The land has been acquired by the company. These 3 plants, one is Future Ceramic, which will be built up at a cost of 174 crore. So this plant will be producing large slab glazed vitrified tiles of large sizes like 800, 1200, 1200, 1800, 1200, 2400. And this will be one of the unique plants in Morbi because it's only considering the large slab. And apart from that, we will be making up a sanitary ware plant there, where we will be making around 2,000 pieces per day. So this will be one piece wall hung sanitary ware. And then we will be investing around 45 crores in the sanitary ware plant. And then we are coming up with one of the unique product that has not been launched in India earlier. It will be for the US export market as well as for the Indian market. We are going to launch stone plastic composite on a larger scale from all our 311 showrooms in the market. So this will be stone plastic composite, will be interlocking tiles like wooden tiles. And this product will take around 33 crores of our total equity for the plant capex for this product. And we have acquired land for that also. As well as we are coming up with one of the largest showroom in the world. It's about 1.5 lakh square feet showroom spread in 5 floors, which will be displaying all our AGL products like more than 5,000 products of tiles, and wall tiles, floor tiles, and then more than 350 products of our sanitary ware, more than 150 products of our pots, and then marbles and all, and then chemical products also, which are done by our subsidiary. So this will be one of the largest, and we are going to invest around 37 crores in this. Then for these 3 new plants, we will be requiring around 80 crores of working capital, for which from this rights issue, we are going to invest around 40 crores of working capital for these plants. So these are our major expansion. Then from our general corporate purpose, we will be doing some brand activity, some debt reduction in our subsidiaries.
Right.
And
so,
then, yeah.
Right. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. So, Mr. Gupta, you've highlighted a lot of, capex plans that the company has slated. But I just want to understand, in particular, for the new plants that will be fully operational, what can you expect in terms of revenue upside from them and by when?
April 2023, the plant should start. That is our program. At the moment, land has been acquired, land leveling and other exercises are going on. We have completed the designing and everything of the product. As soon as the right issue is completed, we will be placing orders for the machineries. And the revenue should start in 2023-24. We are expecting initial revenue within 2-3 years of capacity utilization. We are expecting another 500 crores of revenue from these 3 plants. And at the peak, this revenue should go up to 900 crores. So that will add a significant amount of revenue with a good amount of EBITDA between 16 to 20% at the initial level. And this will put up a good bottom line because there will be no debt in this plant. So this will add to a very good bottom line. So going forward, the company is expanding. It's a very mega expansion plan. And we hope that this will put up Asian Granito as number 2 in India in a very short span of time.
Right. Amarendra also wanted to understand, given that spot Asian gas prices have remained now above the $30 mark for a very long time, wanted to understand how it's impacting your business. Are you being able to pass on the higher raw material costs, or have you undertaken many price hikes already?
There was a lot of apprehensions about the gas price rise during the month of September, October, and November when 3 price rises happened. The gas price in the local currency from 40 rupees, it went up to 70 rupees. So there was a lot of apprehensions how the company will cope up with the gas price rise. So in our end product, like the 70% of gas price rise ended it around 8% in our end product. So we have been able to pass on to the customer. We have been able to pass on around 11 to 12% of the total price increase to the end consumer. and buoyancy. There was a good demand in the market in the last quarter of 2021 as well as in the first quarter of 2022, like December 21 and March 22. There was a very huge demand. So the consumer has already accepted the price rise, and it's a very good sign for the market. And currently there was a price rise by ONGC company, and that price rise has impacted one of our subsidiary in Crystal, where there will be the gas prices will be doubled. However, already Crystal is in like we are paying around 12 rupees in Crystal, so it will come down to 24 rupees. So particular product that Crystal is doing is double charge and glaze vitrified tile. We will be able to again increase the price of that product and pass it out to the consumer. So the net effect of the company is nil. However, we are closely watching on the developments, and we will be able to absorb the price rise as well as pass it on to the consumer. So successfully we are doing it. Twice we have done it, and if again it will come, we'll be again be doing it.
Right. Okay, Amrendra, great to have you on the show. Thank you so much for taking the time out and joining in. And that's the other thing. We were speaking with Niranjan Hirannandani as well as Brigade Enterprises earlier also this morning. And Sandeep, I want to just, get you in over here, because